Buongiorno. Vario stick here. Ever wondered why people fall in love with Abruzzo? Ever thought, would that happen to me? I think if you came here, you'd get a few answers. Welcome to Torrebruna. Lovely little chapel out here. Well, it seems a pity to give any commentary on this. It's the church of the Madonna of the Snow, Madonna della Neve. Little chapel, it's probably open once or twice a year. Beautiful place, stunning place. Just outside Torrebruna, on a nature walk or a nature reserve. Any minute now you think a T-Rex is going to come out of here. A beautiful, restful place. Just follow the red and white signs painted on a tree, this one. Out of the town and the village, along the road. You can walk up here, drive your car, ride your bike. What a stunning place. You have to come here. Very primeval. Fantastic views over the rolling hills out towards the Adriatic, which you probably not pick up on the camera, but it's there. Not sure I particularly trust these safety railings. I think they do a job. You don't want to fall down there, that's for sure. There's little wild strawberries, if you can see them. Right the way down here. Natural woodland plant, of course. Go back a little bit later in the summer. Lovely. Got the cuckoo going in the background there. He's up there somewhere. I won't be joining him. It's a bit steep. But it picks up another red and white sign. I suppose you could bring your car down here, but why bother? Just enjoy the walk. Through the forest. We'll have to bring the game camera out here, I think, the nighttime camera, and see what we can see. Strap it to one of these trees. But you'd be surprised what's living down there. The roadways now is giving up into a fairly steep, more traditional footpath, but again, properly marked. Shout out for Deborah and Marcus. This is your kind of country. I think you'd enjoy a couple of hours out down here in this lot. Wow. We're out of the woods now, and we're making our way down the track to the town itself, which is down there, Torrebruna, down this track. Some spectacular countryside, far-reaching views, which is fantastic. The only trouble is, because these little action cameras don't pick the distance up particularly well, but you kind of get the idea. See the Adriatic in the distance. What a peaceful place. There's a little kind of a park come picnic area in between the forest, which we've been up there, and just before you get to the town itself, with some stunning views. A peaceful place. So you can come out here, have a walk in the woods. Come down here for a picnic. Enjoy the old cypress trees. Very Italian. Enjoy the views. There's some quite characterful properties there actually, just off that road. Oh, they're nice. Finally on our way to the town or village itself. It's down there. It's very nice. Church at the top. A little approach to the town. Church in the background. Lovely. Classic Abruzzo village. Steep drop-offs. Tight little turns. Very pretty though. Great place to explore. Water pump there, look. Very steep. Very nice. Behind us here's the church. Doesn't look like it's open though. Some very characterful areas. Characterful buildings, I have to say. A lot of them need a bit of a TLC. Most of them seem to be very well cared for. Fantastic little back alleys. I love all of these. All the forgotten places. Forgotten architecture. How's that for a front door lock? Bit of wood. Do the trick. Unfortunately, I'm running out of battery. I didn't bring the spare. I think maybe come back here on another day and pay Torrebruna another visit. Go to the town itself. Well, it's been a great day. Walking the forest, all the wild creatures up there. Always got the feeling that something was watching me. Probably was. Lovely park, fantastic village. Torrebruna, you've got to come out here. Wonderful place. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel. We've got Facebook as well, at Vario Stick. Big thumbs up please. Have a look through, see what we're doing. We're back out. The lockdown is slowly receding here in Italy, so we're all looking forward to getting out and about and enjoying ourselves. So, from a beautiful, beautiful place here in Abruzzo, this is Vario Stick saying ciao ciao for now.